I think that forgiveness of yourself is one of the biggest pieces of any weight loss or journey. No matter how you do it, no matter where you are in it, forgiving yourself for what was done in the past. Because I know a lot of us that have been obese, we take on this thought of, well, we did it to ourselves, we deserve to be obese. And that just isn't true. That was your friend. That food, that addiction to food kept you safe. And so there's a level of forgiveness of like, that did me well back then. It protected me, but I can say goodbye to it and I can heal inside and forgive myself for whatever happened in the past, because that's not where I'm at anymore.